Hi YouTube, it's finally here. I ordered this dash cam about I would say a couple of months ago, and then it got delayed for 2 3 weeks due to the high demand. But I gotta say though, totally worth it. So I was in the market and I was looking for an dash cam for my car, and I came across Owl Cam or Owl Car Cam, and it's funny because I saw the advertising online. I think it was at Facebook, and then I was like, let me just give them a try due to some of the unique feature that it has, especially with the LTE capability, and it gives you ability to view what's going on even if you're not in the car. And this thing is always on, always recording. So I will take it for a spin, get it set up for you guys. You guys can also see the whole setup process, and I will show you some of the features. But I have to say, I had it for a couple of days now, and I really love it. You guys should try it. Alright, let's get this thing started. So here's my owl cam. Alright, so this is going to be a little bit difficult. We'll see how things work out. I should have opened it before. Okay, here is the owl cam. Everything's still in there, so I'm gonna try to get this set up and pretty much get it installed right there, and then we go through the whole process. Okay, so now I have to use this. I'll unplug this one for now. I did purchase a splitter, so I will use a splitter down the road. But let's see. Okay, that's my OBA. And then I'll probably tuck in this somewhere here to be a little bit more clean. But that's it for now. Okay. And right here, got that. I'll do a cleaner job, I mean, a couple of hours once I get this set up. So here is a dash cam. Alright. Let's see. Alright, so it's on here now. And then what I need to do is get on the iPhone. I have the app. Come on. Alright, let's see. Still going, and then I'm probably have to tap on add camera, but let's see. Waiting for network. It's too bright here, so there we go. All right. So I'm assuming I'm adding the camera. Getting the code. Alright. So this is now working, I guess. So that's it. Let's see. So I get the signal there. Oops. Yep. Where's my location? Okay, these are just the features, my clips. I don't have anything yet. Live. Let me see if I can. Oops. Let me see if I can adjust this a little bit. Okay, I actually might have to use the taller ones. It's hard to show you guys. Yeah, I might have to go a little bit higher. But okay, let's look at the app. So let's look at outside. Okay, not bad. Whoa, that was too loud. Alright, I guess this is how you can talk to the car. Hello? Oh, that's cool. What does this one do? Oh, well, it's updating. Whoops. Yeah, it just said it's updating and rebooting now. Okay, still said waiting for networks. I guess every time it reconnects, it has to look for the network. But yeah, I think I have to adjust it a little bit more. To turn it a bit higher. Alright, we're back on. So let's go back to the camera app. So that's inside. Very cool, actually. I like it. And outside.